In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to output more than 6 columns in Tableau. When working with Tableau, you might find yourself needing to display more data than the default view allows. If you're trying to expand your table beyond the standard 6 columns, you're in the right place. Let's walk through the simple process of increasing the number of columns you can view in your worksheet. First, you'll need to open Tableau Public. If you haven't got it installed yet, just head over to their website where you can download and install it. Once you have Tableau Public open, go ahead and locate the worksheet that you want to work on. This could be a new project you've just started or an ongoing project where you need to expand your data view. Once you have your worksheet open, it's time to dive into the Analysis menu, which is located at the top of your interface. Click on it and look for the option labeled Table Layout. It's through this menu that you'll be able to expand the number of rows and columns you can observe. Within the table layout settings, you'll find options for rows and columns levels. Here's where the magic happens. You can adjust these levels to display up to 50 columns or rows if you need to. Simply input the desired number in these fields and get ready to see more of your data visualized. After making these changes, remember to hit Apply, followed by OK. This ensures that your new settings are saved and take effect immediately. The Apply button is crucial as it confirms that you want Tableau to change the way it displays your data, and of course, clicking OK will close out the settings dialog, taking you back to your worksheet. Now, you should see that your worksheet allows you to drag fields into your columns and rows beyond the usual limit, all the way up to 50. This capability is essential for complex data analysis tasks where more data fields need to be visibly compared and analyzed together. And there you have it, a straightforward way to output more than 6 columns in Tableau, expanding your view and allowing for a more in-depth data visualization experience. Remember to explore how this expanded view can help reveal insights in your data that might not have been visible previously. Thanks for tuning in, and as always, if you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to check out our other videos for more Tableau tips and tricks. Happy data exploring!